There is public debate on Uganda's rights over Entebbe International Airport, arising from the terms of a $200 million loan, approximately 710 billion shillings, from the Exim Bank of China for the expansion of the airport. The debate is centered around certain clauses in the 2015 loan agreement that have been deemed unfair to Uganda and exposing the airport to a takeover by China. For example, despite Uganda being a sovereign state, the agreement was signed based on the Chinese legal regime, with all litigation meant to be settled in Beijing, China. In the agreement, an escrow account was created in Stanbic Bank as a holding account and a guarantee that Uganda will pay back the loan. Much as Uganda has so far deposited 4.9 billion shillings, the rights on this account are entirely in the control of the Exim Bank of China. While appearing before the Committee on Commissions, Statutory Authorities and State Enterprises (COSASE), Attorney General Kiryowa Kiwanuka has defended all the provisions of the agreement and rubbished any airport takeover claims.
This contract was signed on 31st March 2015 with a grace period of 7 years. The first payment from government of Uganda on this contract is supposed to come on 1st April 2022. So for anyone to say that the airport is being taken because of default is absolutely wrong. It is actually scandalous.
However, Kiwanuka's explanation contradicts Finance Minister Matia Kasaija, who expressed fear over some questionable clauses, especially on the escrow account.
I agree to some extent, very sure, because there are certain clauses which, things like, for example, that they must choose how the escrow account. Escrow account is an I don't know. Let me briefly explain. An escrow account is where you take money, special money, to meet a special need. The Chinese bank has to continue controlling that account. I don't think that is good, really.
The Minister of Finance was here, and he admitted that there was no due diligence report on record, and it was not done. So you, as a legal person signing this contract, if it was a legal requirement, did you do this? And if you have it, can we have the due diligence report? Because when the Minister of Finance says they are worried, you know, I am more inclined to actually believe them about their financial worry than to believe the Attorney General about a financial concern. I don't know why the Minister of Finance is worried. I've written to him and told him, don't worry, I got this. I've told him, don't worry about this, I'm on top of it. I don't know why he's worried. Except only if he fails to pay, that's a different matter. But he has to pay. Maybe the worry is that he may not find the money, but I'm good on the legals, I'm good.
The expansion of the airport will see the building of a new passenger terminal, cargo center and fuel center. On Thursday, Finance Minister Matia Kasaija will again appear before COSASE over the same matter. Herbert Ziwa, NTV at Parliament.